to Henry's show.
Hi, I'm your friend Henry. Now we're going to learn Unit 6 PQR workbook. We almost finished this workbook. Let's see. Let's circle and write. This is a panda. What do panda begins with? Panda begins with P sound. P. So we need to write capital and lowercase p 2 times. Now number 2. What do you think this is? This is a question. What do questions begins with? Question begins with Q. Q. Number 3. What do you think? This is a lion. What do lion begins with? Lion begins with L. L. Number 4. This is a kangaroo. Kangaroo begins with K. K. Number 5. This is a ring. What do ring begins with? Ring begins with R. R. Number 6. What do you think this is? This is a nut. What do nut begins with? Nut begins with N. Number 7. This is a jet. What do jet begins with? Jet begins with J. J. Number 8. What do you think this is? This is a pink rabbit. We can say that this is a bunny, but we need to write R. Rabbit. R. The pink rabbit eating carrots. It's cute, right? Number 9. Who is she? She is a queen. What do queen begins with? Queen begins with Q. Q. Number 10. This is an octopus. Octopus has 8 legs. Octopus. Octopus begins with O sound. Number 11. This is a pen. What do pen begins with? Pen begins with P. Pen. Yes, if you don't know, think the beginning letter. How do it sound? How does the beginning letter sound? The octopus. This is O sound. So O, we can think it is O. So we need to know the sounds of the alphabet. So really important. So that's why we're reading story almost to last at 1 unit. We only have a picture that you can guess. It's still important to think what the picture is. Number 11. What do you think this is? This is a pen. What do pen begins with? Pen begins with P. P. Number 12. What do you think it is? This is a mouse. What do mouse begins with? Mouse begins with M. M. Let's match. Key begins with K, so they already lined on it. Lamp begins with L. Let's trace a line on it. M. Map begins with M. This is a net. Net begins with N. O. What do you think it is? This is an ostrich. Ostrich. Number 6, P. What does the word that begins with? Where is the word that begins with P? Yes, pig is the word that begins with P. It's important to say it in a full sentence. Number 7. Where is the word that begins with Q? Quiet begins with Q. Where is the word that begins with R? Robot is the word that begins with R. Circle the correct picture. P. Queen does not start with P, so we cannot circle it. Please erase it. If you circle it, you need to erase it. Pen begins with P, so we need to circle it. But ox does not begin with P, so we cannot circle it. Q. Question begins with Q. Nest does not begin with Q. Ring does not begin with Q. Does panda begins with R? No. Does melon begins with R? No. Does rabbit begins with R? Yes, rabbit. Let's turn the page. Number 1, this is a mouse. So we need to write capital M, lowercase m, 2 times capital M, lowercase m, What do you think this is? This is a pig. This is a pink pig that P. Number 3, what do you think it is? This is a jacket that has button and have a green pocket. What do jacket begins with? Jacket begins with phonics J, letter J. Number 4, this is a nut. What do nut begins with? Nut begins with N. N. Number 5, what do you think it is? This is a purple octopus that has 8 legs and wearing a hat on his head. What the octopus begins with? Octopus begins with letter O. Number 6, what is it? This is a lion that's sitting. This is a lion. This is a male lion that have a fur near his face and has a straight tail and have 4 legs. What do lion begins with? Lion begins with letter L. Color the beginnings letters. This is a ring. What the ring begins with? Ring begins with R. Well done. Number 2, this is a question. What the question begins with? Question begins with Q. Number 3, this is a panda. What do panda begins with? Panda begins with P. Left and right. Octopus and ox both begins with O, so they traced. Number 1, rabbit. Where is the word that begins with R in there? Robot. The red and the blue robot that has wheels begins with R, like a pink rabbit eating carrots. Let's trace a line on it. R. Number 2, this is a pen. Pen begins with P. Where is the word that begins with P in there? A pink pig that has 4 legs and 1 tail begins with P. Pig. Number 4, this is a queen. What is the same word that begins with Q? Quiet. Right. Read and draw. It's PQR. What's P begin? You have to draw a panda. You have to draw a pig. You have to draw a pen. I'm going to draw a pen. I'm not good at drawing. I would say this is a pen. Q. Let's draw a queen. Or okay, I think we can draw a queen. Question and quiet. I'm going to draw question. R. Rabbit. You can draw robot. I'm going to draw robot. Robot. A ring, yes. I will also draw a ring. That's like a circle. It's just fun drawing. Trace and write. We're going to write. First, P. We have to write 3 more times in there. We're going to write 6 times in there. P. Now let's write 6 times. P. Q. Okay, now please have a nice handwriting. Q. R, ring. R. PQR. We're going to try 3 more times in there. PQR. Now we're going to try 5 more times in there because they're small. PQR. Second review. We're going to write 2 more times, and there we're going to write 2 more times. See? MNOPQR. Let's just write 3 times. Now next time we're going to learn Workbook Unit 7 STUV. Thank you for watching this Unit 6 Workbook. Please subscribe and click thumbs up in Henry's show. Bye. See you next time.